Today we are going to learn one more usage of but. Before we start our lesson, let's review what we learned before about but. In lesson 5, we learned one usage of but is expressing suggestion. I give you a suggestion to buy a little one is much suitable for you because I think this is too big. So one usage we learned is suggestion. And now we learn another usage of but. It is express supposition. A speaker uses but to express what he supposes about a situation. After reasonable thinking, in the context, the speaker get an assumption and use but to ask for confirmation about the speaker's assumption. For example, 你要买鞋子吧? Before the speaker says this sentence, he speaks with the other one something about shoes. After a logic thinking, according the dialogues, the speaker get a logic assumption and the speaker wants to make sure use but to ask what he thinks is correct or not. For example, you say your shoes are broken, so I think you want to buy new shoes, right? We use but to confirm what I think is correct or not, to make sure my assumption correct or not. 你会唱中文歌吧？你会唱中文歌吧？会，可是不多，我只会唱3首。会，可是不多，我只会唱3首。According what I know about you. For example, you say you learned Chinese about 1 year. So I think you can sing some easy Chinese songs. And then I ask, 你会唱中文歌吧? I get an assumption. 你会唱中文歌 this supposition from you learned Chinese about 1 year. I use but to ask what I supposed, correct or not. 他平常都坐捷运来上课吧？他平常都坐捷运来上课吧？不是，他都坐公车来上课。不是， 他都坐公车来上课。Use but to ask a supposition. For example, he lives near a MRT station. So after reasonable thinking, I get an assumption, which is he come here by 捷运 because it is convenient by 捷运 for him to come here. So I use but to make sure what I supposed is correct or not. 你现在有空吧？要不要跟我一起去看网球比赛？你现在有空吧？要不要跟我一起去看网球比赛？有空，可是我想先吃一点东西。有空，可是我想先吃一点东西。In Taiwan, we always omit er sound. I use but to make sure this assumption correct or not. For example, now it's after class, so I think you have time, you are free now. So I use but to ask 你现在有空 what I supposed. In this lesson, we use but to ask our assumption is correct or not. So it is a question sentence. However, if we express suggestion, it is a statement sentence, not a question. Here, so pay attention. Different usage of but, different punctuation. If it is the usage of expressing suggestion, the punctuation is full stop. If the usage of but is expressing supposition, it is a question to ask for confirmation. So the punctuation is question mark. See you. Bye.